cooties, do you?
You want to beat in his wheel?
We got a 1081 in Central Majority. Suspect last seen on foot.
He tried to hit me on purpose!
Off the bike.
Move it.
Hey, girl! You're correct. Catch you. Don't. Classic gangbang.
You want us to torch you?
Hey, what's up?
Hey, Carl, it's Woozie. Hey, if you got some time, I'd like for you to come over so we can talk about something.
Yeah, for sure. Where you at?
I own a little betting shop in Chinatown. Just come round and introduce yourself. My people will be expecting a visit.
It's a plan, man. Later.
All right,
Come on, you can do it. You can do it.
Kick ass, man. Yeah, we're closed, Puckeye.
Easy, man. I'm here to see Woozie.
Oh, upstairs.
Stupid ass motherfucker.
Come on, Birdstone. Come on, go. Come on, you can do it.
I'm Johnson. I'm here to see Woozie. I work with him.
Birdstone, you suck.
Yes, right this way. You know of the boss's curse?
Curse? Nah.
He's blind.
Blind? But we was just racing cars last week.
Yes, I know. He's blessed with unbelievable good fortune. And the triad that would do anything for him? We call him our lucky mole.
Alright. I'll keep that in mind.
Good.
Woozie!
Hello, Carl.
Hey, what's happening, Woozie? You know, how you doing?
Straight to the facts. I can't use your help unless I'm open with you about who I am and what I do. Let me reintroduce myself. I am the boss of the Mountain Cloud Boys.
Nice to meet you.
Likewise. Why don't you sit down? As Daidailo of the Triad, it is my responsibility to see that disputes are settled without damaging important business.
Where I come in at?
We shall see. I'm about to drop in on a local triad that failed to show face at the last Tong meeting. Come with me, and you'll see how we triads settle things without recourse to unnecessary violence.
Alright, I'll ride with you.
We'll need a ride. Mine's getting some body work done to it.
Alright, don't trip.
Come on, punch.
I was just cruising.
The Blood Feather Triad have a storehouse around the block. We shall see what excuses they have to offer.
Okay, so what's all this talk of business?
Some small-time Vietnamese gangs have been making trouble lately. We're not sure why they're gaining any courage now, but I'm nervous about the situation.
How do I fit in all of this?
You're an outsider. This is a place. Come on, it's this way. Now, where's that loose cobble?
Hey, what the hell you doing?
Hey, just checking the, just shut up, Carl. This way.
What's wrong? You lost? Need a hand?
No. I was just, getting the feel of the place. Stick close. Ah, we're here. This way. Strange, this gate is usually locked. Stick close.
Oh, man. Woozie.
What's got you so spooked? Oh, sorry. Didn't see you lying down there.
He's dead. They all are.
The blood feathers wiped out?
Die low. Forgive me. I was too scared to fight, so I hid.
Enough. What happened here?
Vietnamese surprised us. Cut us all down. Shit! Here they come again!
The Triads must have vengeance!
Get uglier?
You will wander as ghosts!
In the car, quick! We got more company.
You drive. I'll send them back to the shooting. Keep driving. I'll take care of these murderous scum.
That looked like the last of them.
Thank you, Carl. You saved me from having to kill them all myself. Here, a token of the Tong's appreciation for what you did today.
The boss sure loves his cars.
Hey, hi. Welcome. You're styling. Try on anything you want, sir. you, sir.
My boss is a great man.
Always a pleasure, sir. Thank you, sir.
I'm fourth generation. What are you talking about?
Do come again, sir.
Not so right.
Get out the way, muttonhead! Pull off the road, idiot!